if you are just given two terms and their values, you can still find the ratio for a geometric sequence. It is a little different than finding like the difference for an arithmetic sequence, because in the geometric sequence, it's like a multiplier, the ratio is. So it's not just a matter of subtracting the two items together, like subtract the terms, subtract the values. We need to sort of find the value of this multiplier. So to do this, we need to take the square root. So what ends up happening is that your ratio is going to be the difference of your two terms in that root, and you're taking the root of your two term values divided. So we're trying to find the ratio between the fifth and the third term. So the root is going to be 5 minus 3, and it's going to be 405 divided by 45. So we end up getting the square root of 9, which is 3. So if you're trying to find the rule, you need that ratio, and you also need your first term. So we found the ratio. Now we need to find a1. So in your geometric rule, you have your term values. So let's just pick one. We'll pick the first term, the a3 there. So a sub 3 equals 45. We don't know what the first term in this said sequence is, but we now know the ratio is 3, and we use the third term, so to the power of 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 squared is 9, so we have 45 equals a sub 1 times 9. Divide both sides by 9. A sub 1 will be 5. So we know that our ratio is 3. We know that a sub 1, our first term, is 5, so we can now write the rule. So a sub n equals your first term 5 times your ratio of 3 to the power of n minus 1. So whenever you guys are trying, if you're just given two terms and you need to essentially find the ratio and the first term in the sequence, you're taking the difference of the terms you have, using that as your root, and you're going to take the root of the two values divided. But you have to find that ratio first.